Today we're diving into the world of stock photography and how you can turn your photos into cash with Alamy. Step 1. Sign up as a contributor. First things first, head over to Alamy's contributor page. It's free to sign up and you can upload photos, vectors, and even illustrations. Step 2. Upload your work. Alamy has a user-friendly upload process. Just make sure your photos are high quality and follow their keyword and title guidelines. Strong keywords will help buyers find your images. Step 3. Get creative and diverse. Alamy caters to a wide range of clients. Think beyond travel photos. Capture everyday moments, business concepts, nature, and anything else visually appealing. Step 4. Promote your portfolio. While Alamy does the marketing, consider promoting your portfolio on social media or photography forums. This can drive more traffic to your images. Step 5. Earn and get paid. You are paid a commission each time someone licenses one of your photos. Contributors receive nearly $1 million per month from Alamy. Payments can be made to you by PayPal or bank transfer. So there you have it. With some great photos and strategic uploads, you can start earning on Alamy. If you're passionate about photography and want to monetize your hobby, this is a fantastic platform to explore. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. If there is any serious problem and you want urgent solution, then contact me directly via WhatsApp. My team will guide you.